Hey guys, welcome back. Let me ask you a question. In today's flooded market, which smartphone brand can you actually trust with your eyes closed? There was an era when hearing the name Nokia meant one thing: bulletproof reliability. Well, brace yourselves, because the legend is back. Reborn. In this time, they aren't just here to compete, they're holding a flagship killer. If you're hunting for a mid-budget beast that is going to keep the competition up at night, Nokia is bringing the heat with the Nokia X150 Ultra 5G. The name alone sounds heavy, doesn't it? We are talking about a mind-bending 300-megapixel camera, the futuristic Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, and a battery that refuses to die, all at a price that might just blow your mind. So, if you are planning your next upgrade, do not skip this video. Let's dive into the leaks surrounding this game changer. Let's start the countdown for the Nokia X150 Ultra. Features of the Nokia X150 Ultra 5G. The display. First up, let's look at the screen. Nokia is giving your eyes a serious treat. The X150 Ultra is rumored to rock a massive 6.85-inch QHD Plus OLED display. And this isn't just any OLED, we're talking 2K resolution, meaning every single pixel is razor sharp. Gamers, listen up, you're getting a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate, paired with a snappy 410Hz touch sampling rate. Whether you're climbing rank in COD Mobile or just doom scrolling, it's going to feel instant. Plus, that in-display fingerprint sensor. Clean, futuristic, and premium. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the showstopper, the cameras. If you are into mobile photography, this phone sounds like a dream come true. The X150 Ultra is packing a massive quad camera setup. And the main sensor, it's insane. 300 megapixels. You heard that right, not 200, 300 megapixel. Backing that up, you get a 100 megapixel, a 50 megapixel, and a 8 megapixel sensor to cover every angle, giving your shots that professional look. And for the selfie squad, Nokia hasn't forgotten you. You're getting a crystal clear 64 megapixel front shooter. Your selfie game is about to level up. Performance. The backbone of this beast is the processor. Nokia is reportedly going all out with the world's most powerful chip, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. What does that mean for you? Extreme multitasking and heavy gaming with zero lag. It's a powerhouse. On top of that, it's expected to run on the cutting-edge Android 16 right out of the box, giving you the smoothest software experience possible. Battery and charging. Battery anxiety? Forget about it. The Nokia X150 Ultra is housing a monster 7500mAh battery. Charge it in the morning, and crush your day without even looking for a plug. And when you finally do hit 0%, you won't be waiting long. With 125-watt superfast charging, you can go from dead to full in just about 20 to 25 minutes. That is speed. Price and launch date. Now, the million-dollar question: when can you buy it, and how much will it hurt your wallet? Here is the best part: this phone is aiming to balance your budget. Leaks suggest a price tag of around $749. For specs this wild, that is an absolute steal. As for the launch date, Nokia hasn't dropped the official word yet, but the rumor mill suggests this beast will be hitting the shelves by the end of this year. So, guys, what do you think? Is the Nokia X150 Ultra the comeback we've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. Which feature hyped you up the most?